it seems like I've been in the 50,000 mile mark for a long time now. Like I should be in the 60s or 70s right now, but I just don't ride as often as I used to. Man, it is chilly this morning. I think it's about high 30s, low 40s right now, but it's gonna be close to 70 degrees later, so I'm gonna regret all these layers, but I haven't layered up currently. So I don't really have a plan today. I think I might go and see, like, I don't know, go to some gun shops, maybe some bike shops, things like that. I had a wild hair come up last night where I was like, I think I might want to go ride the mountain bike tomorrow, you know, today. Yeah, I didn't get everything I needed done. I needed to put air in the tires with my mountain bike. It's been a very long time since I've ridden that thing, and I think the sealant in it's all crusty and not working. So I might have to go to a bike shop today to go fix that so I can, next time I have a wild hair, to go ride my mountain bike. So I'm on Pan America today. So the bummer about today is, because I don't have a plan, or I don't have somewhere I want to be, I can't just go to my default place, which is Forest Hill, because it's covered in snow. So yeah, snow for days. Yep, snow got low. Alright, well, I guess that answers that question. And there's a lot of snow up there now, so I can't do that anymore. At least not for the season. But like I said, today is Sunday, so I don't know what shops are open, what shops aren't. Don't do it. So I guess that all kind of depends on who's open. I might make a trip down to, what is it? I think it's Eagle's Nest Harley, which is in Lathrop, which is about an hour and a half from where I am. They're a pretty cool dealership. I've been there a few times. I don't frequently go there, but they are a pretty sweet and big dealership, so I might go check them out. Maybe they have a limited, but maybe I won't. That's probably a bad idea if they have one. So I have been searching for a part that I used to have for the Pan America. I used to have the stock, like, hand guards. I bought them after I bought the bike, just because it was the only thing available. But once I got the bark busters, I took them off, and I don't know where I put them. And I am looking for the stock ones because a buddy of mine has a Pan America ST, and he wants to put them on his bike. So I was like, yeah, dude, you can totally have them. I'll just give them to you. I'm not going to use them. That was before I realized I don't know where I put those things. I know I still have them. There's no way I threw them away. I didn't sell them to anybody, but they're nowhere in my garage. I have torn apart my garage looking for that thing. I even went to my storage unit and started doing that, but I think what happened is when I put them, I might have put them in storage, and when I did that, I don't know, I think I reorganized my storage, so I think they're probably in the back somewhere. So that'll be a chore for another day. I'm not gonna do that today. I don't feel like going through boxes. Well, crap. Half that storage unit needs to be thrown away. I don't know. I'm just kind of pack ratting. The storage units, they're expensive, man. Storages they're expensive, and half that stuff is not worth the monthly bill that I get to store it. So I need to go through all that crap, just kind of get rid of it, save some money. This is the year of saving money. What other things are going on? Oh yeah, I gotta do a couple of vehicle repairs to my Jeep. I own a 35-year-old Jeep Cherokee, and I've had it for nearly 20 years. It's got almost 300,000 miles on it, so things get tired. The little thing about the Jeep Cherokees, the old XJs, their cooling systems suck. The engines are bulletproof, anything like that, like, so that's fine. But the cooling systems, I have to replace them every 3 to 5 years, depending on the seasons. I think my water pump's starting to leak a little bit. It still works and everything, but yeah, the cooling system's going to need to be replaced. So there's, again, a chore for another day. I'm just putting stuff off. I really don't feel like doing stuff like that. I should totally just take care of that today, because I use that car for work. I don't want to. I want to get out on the bike. We've been having some really crap weather lately, so I haven't really had a chance to ride. Riding often is not like every day is something that I used to love to do. Like after I get home from work, I used to get on the bike, no matter how dark it was or cold or hot. I'd always just get on the bike after work every day, and I'd put, I don't know, weekday ride was, I don't know, 60, maybe 80 miles, you know, just because you can get that done fairly quickly. But yeah, I used to put a ton of miles on my bikes, all of my bikes. This couple years, like the year or so, I have definitely slowed down when it comes to putting miles on my bike. I don't ride nearly as often as I want to. I don't know why that is. I think I'm just really trying to just keep busy with work and, you know, make money. Because, you know, you have to make money to play. So, what's up, dude? But yeah, I just don't get a chance to ride as often as I would like to. It's kind of a bummer. And the mileage on this bike definitely shows it. I know I'm kind of higher in mileage when it comes to, I don't know, normal. Currently I have just over 55,000 miles on the bike still. I should have more than that, but I don't. That's where I'm at with the bike. It's about 4.5 years old. I bought it in November of 2021, so first gen bike. Haven't really had any problems with it. Like I said, there's some of my other videos where you can watch that. Where's I going with that? It seems like I've been in the 50,000 mile mark for a long time now. Like I should be in the 60s or 70s right now, but I just don't ride as often as I used to. I don't know, that might be a good thing, not put as many miles on your bike, but I'm kind of in that realm of, if you buy a bike, use it. Oh, it's a Porsche. Oh, it's a 3.6. Like a 72, maybe? I don't know. So I saw a post someone put up on one of the Pan America groups. He was over 100,000 miles on his, I think it was a 22. But yeah, he put over 100,000 miles on his bike. And I mean, that must have been a guy that bought the bike and just took it on a world tour, or just went, I don't know, had the time to just go exploring on it. Yes, I say that because I'm jealous. I would have loved to do that. I still would love to do that, but yeah, it was one of those, when you see people that have higher mileage than you, when you have a high mileage bike, you're just like, yeah, dude, that's awesome, so cool. I'm not the only one using my bike. I'm in that arena of mileage to where if I take the bike in for some warranty work or anything like that, it's kind of, it's a little bit of, it's not a fight, but it's, they'll look at the mileage and they go like, well, that's not a warranty anymore, that's wear and tear on your bike. Like you put a lot of miles on your bike. So I mean, downsides to putting mileage on your bike is like the warranty doesn't last as long. I still have stuff that is covered under my extended warranty and things like that, but yeah, when you get over 50,000, they start looking at you like, yeah, dude, it did its job. Like, it's just wear and tear. You just wore it out. So I say all this because I would like to put more miles on my bike. I would like to have more time to go riding and just, I don't know, just go out and put miles on the bike. I mean, that's why I bought it. I am pretty set on trying to get this bike to 100,000 miles and seeing what that entails when it comes to parts that wear out, all the maintenance that I've done to it, the cost of all the maintenance and things like that to it. I still have to do my 55,000 mile review. I might save that to the 60. I don't really know. The reviews seem to do pretty well. People seem pretty interested in what's gone wrong with the bike, what I've replaced on the bike, the cost of the maintenance so far. If you guys have any comments, put them down below. And if you could, please subscribe. It helps me out a ton. And I'll see you guys later. I am... Words. Really? Ferrari? Huh.